In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make text change color on hover in Wix. Now, the first thing you want to do is head over to your Wix editor and then find the text you want to make change color on hover. In my case, I'm going to use this heading 3 right here. Bear in mind, it doesn't matter actually how big or small the text is or what type of text it is. The process is exactly the same. So what we want to do next is add a hover box. To do that, head over to the left hand side of the screen right here and you'll find this menu. Then click on this add elements button right on the top here and then go all the way down to interactive, which is right here. Then click on hover boxes. From here, choose any hover box that you want. I'm going to go for this one. It doesn't matter because we are going to be deleting the elements within them anyway and only use the hover box itself. So once you do that, once you add the hover box to your website, delete its contents both from the regular and the hover view until it looks empty and just like that. The next thing you want to do is resize it to the size of your text so it doesn't attract any other elements and affect them in any way. Once you've done that, drag the box over to your text so you know where it is, because once you click off it, it goes invisible, so it can be quite hard to find. Then get your text and drag it and put it within the box itself. As you can see, it says attached to box right there, and that's when it gets attached. Once you've done that, I want you to click off it and then click on it again, then go to hover view, and then I want you to delete the text from the hover view itself, and that way the regular text will remain but the hover text will not. So next up, what you want to do is click on hover, and then in the left hand side here you will see a new menu open up. I want you to click on add to hover, and from here we want to add another bit of text. In my case it's heading 3, so I'm going to just add it just like this, and it will automatically be applied to my hover, as you can see, like that. And the next thing you want to do really is make sure that they align perfectly, pretty much pixel perfect, just like this. And once you've done that, what you want to do is click on the text, edit the text from the hover mode, and then change its color to pretty much whatever you want. I'm going to make it red. And then to save, all we need to do is press X on all the menus right here and just click out of it, just like that. And let's go ahead and preview the website to see if the changes have been saved and if our text is going to be changing color on hover. Now let's hover over it. And as you can see, it is now changing color. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make text change color on hover in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.